हाय। आज मैंने सोचा एक ऐसा टॉपिक लेके आती हूँ जो नॉर्मली लोगों को रोकता है ग्रो होने के लिए। देयर इज टू टाइप्स ऑफ द ग्रोथ इज देयर, ग्रोथ माइंडसेट एंड फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट। फिक्स्ड माइंडसेट वाले लोग कैसे होते हैं? जो अपनी थिंकिंग को फिक्स्ड कर देते हैं। जैसे लेट अस सपोज आई एम फ्रॉम राजस्थान, so I have my own cultures and values. It's good to follow and respect your cultures and value, but if you're fixed to your cultures and value and you don't want to open minded for other cultures and value, then there is a problem in it. Okay, and जैसे growth mindset वो होते हैं जो always learn, नई न्यू चीज़ें learn करना चाहते हैं and grow होना चाहते हैं, grow with their own mind and with their own open mindedness. Okay, and if you are in the zone, you have to check, are you in the fixed mindset or you are in the zone of the growth mindset? And let me tell you, when you are in the zone of the growth mindset, what is the thing is, you have always have capacity to stretch yourself. And when you stretch yourself, when you आप कुछ भी करते हो, अगर आप अपना बिजनेस करते हो या अपनी पढ़ाई करते हो या कुछ भी करते हो, आप जब कुछ नया करते हो और एक बार नया करते हो और अगली बार और नया करने की कोशिश करते हो, तो देयर इज अ नेवर एंडिंग ऑफ थिंग्स डूइंग न्यू. एंड व्हेन यू डू लॉट्स ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स, you learn new things, correct? And when you learn new things, you fail, but you fail then succeed. So when you learn new things, you become fail sometime, but you succeed with the new things. So that is always good to have good to have growth mindset, to stretch yourself, and by stretching you come it with your own potential. क्योंकि आप जब अपने आप को स्ट्रेच करते हो तो एक नए पोटेंशियल के साथ एक नए पर्सनालिटी बन के आते हो, और जब आप नई पर्सनालिटी बन के आते हो तो यू बिकम अ न्यू पर्सन आउट ऑफ यू. सेकेंड बेनिफिट, अगर आप ग्रोथ माइंडसेट की रखते हो तो आप अपनी कैपेबिलिटी को एनहांस करते हो. यू मेक योर सेल्फ सो स्पेशल, you entitle yourself as a new being person, right? और you feel new about yourself, और आप नई नई इन्वेंशंस करते हो अपनी लाइफ में और बहुत सारी चीज़ें सीखते हो. जैसे मैं आपको सिंपल एग्जांपल बताती हूँ. once upon a time I was a girl, but I have changed my thinking from when I become a woman, और now I am a mother of 2 kids. अब जब मैं 2 kids की बात करती हूँ तो I can't think like a girl, I should think like a mother. अब now when I am a mother, as a new mother to my first kid, so I can't be a same fixed mindset with the first kid, correct? और उसके लिए तो मैं पहली बार मदर बनी हूँ, तो I may fail as a good mother to in front of him. So I should be always in the growth mindset to become to learn something, to grow with him, because biologically he will grow, बट मेंटली बायोलॉजिकली आई हैव टू ग्रो. क्योंकि मैंने जो गलतियाँ अपने फर्स्ट किड के साथ की है वो मैं सेकंड किड के साथ नहीं करूँगी, राइट? तो दैट इज़ अगेन अदर वे ऑफ हैविंग द ग्रोथ माइंडसेट. और ऑफ कोर्स इन टुडेज एरा एवरीबडी हैज़ नो, एंड वी कांट फिल द जनरेशन गैप. every person have their own generation gap, or it will be there now also, it will be always there with me and my kid. But I should always having a growth mindset. I can't give my thinking and dump my thinking to my kid about my fixed mindedness. So this is, I can't tell कि हमने तो ऐसा किया था तुम्हें भी ऐसा करना है. That is a fixed mindset. I should in fact tell, why don't you try this? These things are coming up because there was once a time that doctor and engineer is only the 2 domain where people used to excel. But nowadays there is a vast level of domains is there, and all people are doing very very nicely. So you should have their own you should have your own mind, open mindedness to understand that if we open to all the domains of the life, if we are open to all the cultures and values of people, it is always comfortable for my kid also कि हाँ. Otherwise just think that if I put my own rules and regulation to my kid also, he will hide so many things, correct? So it applies to everywhere. It applies to in your parenting, it applies to your spouse also, because when you come and get married to your spouse, then also there is a difference in the different mindset, right? Different culture. The two people come in the same one room and they have their own habits and everything. So you should have your own open-mindedness and growth-mindedness to learn from each other and have good life and make yourself happy, so that you always keep on learning all your life, and it is never ending story for you, and you feel so good of yourself because you are growing somewhere. Thank you.